In front of me is Nokia 8000 and let me show you how to activate dial pad sounds on the following device. So as you can hear, actually you cannot hear it, right now it is deactivated, but if you would like to hear each tap, just open the settings, then go to personalization and pick sound, so it's the first option here, and go to other sounds. Click dial pad sound, and now you can activate it smoothly by tapping on, and from now on you will be able to hear each number. And that's it. So this is how you can activate dial pad sounds. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.